Hello, I'm Smits for the Capital Network. Joining me here at the Australian Securities Exchange headquarters in Sydney is the chairman of HotCopper Holdings, Steve James. Steve, welcome.
Thank you, Lelda.
Now, the power that financial institutions have over listed companies, such as ASX-listed companies, is increasingly being challenged by the rise of the retail investors. Can you explain what you believe is behind that shift and also where the opportunities lie?
Sure, Lelda. Well, I think we live in an increasingly transparent world. And we've seen the rise of online broking, we've seen the rise of self-directed investors, and that is a trend that isn't going to go away. And as investors have become more educated and tools like HotCopper and other services empower those investors to have a say, companies are now on notice that they need to be very transparent in their behaviours and in their reporting, or it's very likely that they're going to be held to account.
Absolutely. They certainly are on notice. Companies have always known that they need to be vigilant, but now more than ever, there are risks if you fail to communicate and action accordingly. What do you believe those biggest risks are for companies if they do fail to listen to their shareholders?
Well, there are very serious legal consequences, but there are also very serious secondary considerations, perhaps, like shareholder revolt. And forums and social media of all kinds are now playing a much bigger role in impacts on executives and stock prices.
Certainly. So if we even look at 2016, it's been a record year for shareholder activism.
Yes.
How do you see that landscape changing or evolving in the following year?
The opportunities lie in companies putting much more work into their investor relations activities and keeping shareholders better informed and working with shareholder groups and bodies such as the ASX to increase transparency.
Excellent. Well, I hope all of those shareholders and listed companies have been listening to that. Thank you for your insights.
Thank you, Lella.